Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again, really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe down below, that would help me out a lot. So today I'm going to teach you how to apply false lashes. I've got the Ardell Wispies and I'm just going to show you how to apply them. So the only thing you'll need to apply false lashes would be tweezers, some glue, also some mascara to combine your natural lashes with the false lashes. So first off, what you want to do is, with the tweezers, grab the lashes, just like that. And what you want to do is, grab both ends, bend it slightly, and move it back and forth. This helps the band to become loose and moldable, so that it can mold to your eye. The reason why I love using Ardell is because the band isn't thick. So that step is basically for eyelashes where the band is really thick and this one is quite thin. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your glue and you're going to apply it directly to the lash, making sure to cover every bit of the lash band with glue. Be generous with the glue, but don't have it soaking with glue either. So now this is when you just wait. You wait for about 45 seconds so that the glue can become a little bit tacky so that it can apply to your eye and not slide off. I'm just going to zoom you guys in so you can see my eye clearer and you can see how I apply the lash. Okay, so what you want to do is grab your lash, place it on the center of your eye, and just let it sit there for a second. Grab the end of the eyelash and attach it to the end of the eye, like so. Then you grab the inner corner of the eyelash and stick it down to the inner corner. Now try to get as close as you can to your lash line to make it look more natural. Now what I like to normally do is, with my tweezers, I like to squeeze my natural lashes and the false lashes. Just be careful you don't pinch your eyelid. Now if you mess up like I did, let it dry a little bit. With the tweezers, you can just peel it off. Just like that. Keep pinching your eyelashes with the tweezers until you feel that they're dry. So if you were to move them, they're not going to move. If you feel it's not dark enough, just grab a little bit of mascara and apply it to your lashes. Pretty much it, you're all done. I'm just going to apply the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've applied both lashes. So that's how they look. I really hope you give this a go. I hope it makes it easier for you to apply your eyelashes in the future. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe. Really appreciate you guys for coming back. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you return for the next one. Really appreciate it, guys. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.